Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Binance account in Saudi Arabia in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Here in the search bar, you need to search for Binance. Once you are able to find the Binance application, simply tap on the install button in order to download and install it in your device. You need to make sure that it is published by Binance Inc. in order to avoid any kind of scams. Now tap on the open button in order to launch your Binance application. This will be your interface. Over here, tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then, in order to register here on Binance, you can use either your email address or your phone number. So you need to choose your preferred method and complete the basic registration step. You can create a strong password and enable the 2FA using the Google Authenticator or the SMS. So this keeps your account secure. So once you have successfully registered on Binance, you are going to see a verify option here on the home page. So you need to tap on that verify option and continue with the verification of your identity. You need to select your country first and upload your Saudi ID or passport. Plus, you need to upload a clear selfie. The system will review your documents and it is going to take usually a few minutes. Once this step is done, once you have verified your identity, now you can use your Binance account in order to make purchases or in order to buy any other cryptocurrencies over here. For that, you need to deposit crypto in your Binance account from your Saudi Arabia bank account. If you want to know how you can do it, I have created a separate tutorial on this topic which you can check out on the channel. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.